In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to edit as video in Canva. This is a really handy feature when you've started with a static design, like a presentation or a social media post, and then realize you actually want to turn it into a video with timing, transitions, and audio. Instead of rebuilding your design from scratch in a separate video format, Canva gives you a simple way to convert it right inside the editor. First, open your design in Canva as you normally would. This could be a presentation, a poster, or any layout that you've already created. Once your design is open and fully loaded on the screen, move your mouse over the page area where your design appears. You don't need to click anything yet, just make sure you are hovering over the design itself, not over the side panels or the top toolbar. Now, right-click directly on the design page. If you're on a mouse, that means clicking the right button. If you're on a trackpad or laptop, use the gesture you normally use for a right click, like a two-finger tap. When you do this correctly, a context menu will appear. This is a small menu that pops up right next to your cursor and shows several options related to the page you're working on. Take a moment to look through that menu. One of the options you should see is called Edit as Video. This is the feature we want. It might be listed alongside other page tools, so if you don't see it at first glance, scan the menu slowly from top to bottom. Once you've found the Edit as Video option, click on it. As soon as you select it, Canva will start switching your design into video editing mode. You'll notice a few changes in the interface. The pages of your design will now be treated like video scenes or slides in a timeline, usually shown along the bottom or side. From here, you can adjust the duration of each page, add animations, transitions, and even music or voiceovers, just like you would with any other Canva video project. And that's all you need to do to switch to edit as video in Canva. Open your design, right-click on the page, and select Edit it as video from the menu. Once you're in video mode, you can start customizing your content to bring your static design to life.